Well, the heat for vaporizing the refrigerant in the heat exchanger is obtained by passing the warm refrigerant from the condenser via heat exchanger. That's how the exchange of heat takes place and the refrigerant absorbs the heat from the Hello my friends, once again welcome back to my channel Mariner Shian. So guys, the topic of today's discussion is oil rectifier from the refrigeration system. Well, we will be explaining the basics of the oil rectifier, the construction of the oil rectifier, the concept and function of the oil rectifier. So guys, let's not waste any time and move on to our topic, oil rectifier. And yeah guys, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for future notification. In some refrigeration system installation, there may be a problem caused by tendency of the oil being collected in the evaporator. Under certain conditions such as at low load, when the speed of the movement and agitation of the evaporating refrigerant are insufficient to keep the oil moving throughout the refrigeration circuit. To prevent the loss of oil from the compressor sump to the marine refrigerant system, a oil rectifier may be fitted. Now you can see a oil rectifier system in my screen very nicely. So this is how the marine oil rectifier system look like. The oil from the evaporator automatically bleeds and comes to the heat exchanger. It is in the heat exchanger where the separation of the oil and refrigerant take place. The refrigerant gets vaporized and come to the suction of the marine compressor while the oil gets swept down and comes to the sump of the marine compressor. That's how the separation of the refrigerant and oil takes place. Now the question arises, how do the refrigerant get vaporized and come to the suction of the marine compressor? From where it gets the heat energy? From where it absorbs the heat? Well, the heat for vaporizing the refrigerant in the heat exchanger is obtained by passing the warm refrigerant from the condenser via heat exchanger. That's how the exchange of heat takes place and the refrigerant absorbs the heat from the warm refrigerant from the condenser and get vaporized and comes to the suction of the marine compressor. That's how oil and refrigerant get separated out. The vaporized refrigerant comes to the suction of the compressor while the oil comes to the sump of the compressor. That's how the separation takes place. The thermostatic oil valve which is present in the oil rectifier, which you can see in the diagram very carefully and very clearly. So this thermostatic oil valve functions the same like thermostatic expansion valve in the marine refrigeration system. If you have not watched my previous video regarding thermostatic expansion valve, you can go to my description below and see it. As we have discussed earlier, the thermostatic oil valve functions the same way like thermostatic expansion valve in the marine refrigeration system. Well, the thermostatic oil valve measures the superheat of the vaporized refrigerant passing from the heat exchanger towards the suction of the marine compressor, where it measures the superheat and opens and closes as per the degree of superheat of the refrigerant passing from the heat exchanger to the suction of the compressor. That's how the thermostatic oil valve opens or closes. To talk more technical point of view, you can say that the main function of the thermostatic oil valve is to bleed the oil automatically from the evaporator and bring it to the heat exchanger and leave the heat exchanger in a superheated vaporized gas condition to the suction of the marine compressor. So basically it measures the degree of superheat. And to add on to it, the thermostatic oil valve opens and closes as per a degree of superheat. That's why it is known as thermostatic oil valve. So that's how the oil and the refrigerant are separated by using oil rectifier system. I hope this video was quite informative one for you. If you like this video guys, do share with your friends, and yeah guys, don't forget to press the like button. And yeah guys, consider subscribing my channel and press on the bell icon for future notification. This is Mariner Shian signing off. Thank you and have a nice day.